the Why I'm the Right Candidate page.
You're welcome to my design workshop, where I help beginner content creators build design skills and put them to use. Because in this workshop, we practice what we learn. Time to create the third page. To do that, I'll press this plus button over here, and then I will keep the background color as white. Then I'm going to select the image that we used for our cover. Remember, Sandra? Yes. I'm going to select that image. I'll find that in my recently used section, which is right over here. I'll click on, I don't have to click on see yours. That's Sandra right there. Once the image is on the page, I'm going to extend it all the way to fill out the page like this. I'll double click so that I can bring the picture down, make sure that it shows. You'll see crop once you double click, and then you can now drag it down. Then I'll make sure that it fills up the page like that. Next, I'll change the transparency of this image to 11. Now I can bring on some text. I'll press T, click on the page, press T. Should be somewhere. Yeah, it's over here, the bottom. Press T and then bring it over here. I did that twice. Extend this to fill up the page. And then I'll type in here why I'm the right candidate for the role. I'll just bring this down from here. Then I'll center it on the page. Then I'll change the font size to 45. So it's selected. I'll just come over here and type in 45 just to make it bigger. I didn't change all of it, so I'll select it again. Type over here 45 to change the font size. Then I'll center it because it shifted once let's center that like this. Okay, now I just want to adjust the image a bit. There you go. The next thing we're going to do is animate. Click on the image and select animate. At the moment, it's fade. I'm going to go in for ink. And it's on enter. All right. Now that that's done, we're almost there. Now let's animate the text as well. I'll select it, click on animate. Oh, it's already selected. And I will go for merge. Just like that, our third page is complete. Why I'm the right candidate for the role. Again, if this was easy, let me know in the comment section. Type in there, this was super easy. Thank you so much for watching, and you know what we do? We practice what we learn. Now go on and get creative.